What is up, party rental people? Tariq here. Want to show you today how to get a quick boost on your Google Maps SEO. So this quick hack, all you got to do this is have the Google My Business app. And you want to do this at every setup, and I'll tell you an easy way to do that. But you're going to open up your Google My Business app, make sure you're logged into your business, and you're going to click Post, and then you're going to click Add Photos. All right? Now, what you're going to do is at every setup, you're going to take a picture. So let's just say this is a setup. Don't do this from a screen, but let's just say you're at a customer's house. You're going to pull up your phone, and you're going to go ahead and take a picture of the setup in its natural habitat. And I'm just going to zoom this in a little bit. And that's it. Now, this picture, Google knows exactly where I'm standing when I took this picture. And this is going to give me an SEO boost because it knows that I am actually standing in this location when I took the picture. Only problem is Google does not know what this is a picture of. They don't know if this is a picture of, you know, a dinner or what. So you just have to hit next and you have to describe the picture. And this is where the part where a lot of people drop the ball. You got to describe the picture with words that your customers use. So our customers don't call them combos, right? Our customers call them bounce houses, no matter what. So I'm going to call this a Thunder Bounce, spell it right, house rental. And if you want to go above and beyond, you don't have to do this, but you can even mention the city in Tinley Park. So by doing this, the keyword that the customers use, bounce house rental, Google knows that this is a bounce house rental and this picture was taken while I was standing in this city. So by doing this, your rankings go from looking like this. Your Google Maps rankings can actually go to looking something more like this. Now you're probably thinking, Tariq, I can't go to every single stop and I can't go ahead and take all the pictures. The good news is all you got to do is on your app, you're going to go to more and then you're going to go to manage users and you just add all of your delivery guys on here and make it part of their job. Say, hey, I need you to upload a picture of every setup and I need you to describe it. I told my guys they're not getting paid unless they provide proof of delivery. Little do they know they're helping me with my SEO. But every single stop, they are required to take pictures, as many pictures as they want, as long as they use those words: bounce house rental, water slide rental, obstacle course rental, whatever word your customers use when they search you up. You take a picture of that location and then you upload it with those keywords. Why does this help? Well, when somebody types in Google bounce house rentals near me, Google is going to look in that area and it's going to say, all right, well, there's 50 companies here who say on their website that they offer bounce house rentals. But there's this one guy, he uploaded 50 pictures last month of bounce house rentals, and these bounce house rental pictures were taken while he was standing in the same city you're standing. So a picture's worth 1,000 words in this case, and Google is going to bump those people up who actually have pictures proving that they offer bounce house rentals in that area versus just saying on their website that they provide bounce house rentals in that area. So I hope this gives you guys a quick SEO boost for your Google Maps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.